Let's make spiced apple cake with apple cider and honey glaze. This is a super moist cake made with Greek yogurt and olive oil. Start with apple cider, cinnamon, and brown sugar and reduce it on the stovetop to about half. While that's simmering, grab your apples, peel, and dice them. You want to cut them into a pretty fine dice so that each piece is studded with apple pieces and they don't sink to the bottom of the cake. Measure out about 2 to 2.5 cups of them. Add them to a bowl with some cinnamon, lots of nutmeg, and some brown sugar. Stir to coat the apples and set aside. Now prepare your pan. Measure out a circle of parchment paper the size of the bottom of the pan and brush the bottom and sides of the pan over and under the parchment with olive oil. Grab that reduced cider and measure out about 1/3 of a cup and add honey to the rest of it. Let that cool off. Now in a large bowl, add olive oil, Greek yogurt, eggs, brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and fine salt with that reduced cider. Mix it together well and add your flour and mix it until just combined. Now, fold in your apples from before and add it to your prepared pan. Give it a shake to make sure all the air bubbles are out. Bake it until a toothpick inserted comes out clean and remove it from the pan after it's cooled off for a bit. Place it on a serving platter and go ahead and brush it with that honey apple cider glaze from before. That's it. This cake is super moist. It comes out absolutely delicious, studded with those soft, delicious sweet apples. I like serving it with whipped cream and some of the glaze. Yum! Get this recipe and more at bowlofdelicious.com.